everyone, and welcome back to another video. So this is another Madam Glam one. So as you can see, I've got the box here. So this is for the July collection, and they asked me if I wanted to choose 4 of the colours from the July collection. So yeah, I chose 4 and I've got them in this box. So here is the box. This is the Madam Glam 7th anniversary collection. So Madam Glam have been running for 7 years this year. So they've got the new collection is inspired by the movie 13 Going on 30. I've not seen that movie, so I don't know about that movie. But as usual, all the gels are vegan, cruelty free, 21 free, palm oil free, and everything like that. So that is brilliant. So these are the colours that I got. So the first one is Pink About You. And that looks like, it's like a magenta colour. It's sort of a purpley pink. It is gorgeous, that one. And as you can see, there's a different label. There's these squares on it that make it look like, if I turn it that way, it looks a bit like a film reel. So I like that that's different. So that's Pink About You. I've got this one called Birthday Cake. And this is, it's like a nude, but it's a lighter one. So it doesn't look like it does on the label. It's lighter than that. We'll see what it's like when I swatch it. Then I got Lilac You A Lot. And I like the title of that one. Again, it's lighter than it is on the label. So that's quite a light lilac. I will do comparisons with some other Madam Glam colours when I've swatched them. And then we've got Matty, and that is a gorgeous blue colour. So those are the 4 that I chose. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get the swatch sticks out, and I'm going to put some base coat on them, and then I'll start swatching for you. So I'll see you in a minute.
Here we go again. Trying hard, but you wanna be my friend. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. Here we go again. Call my bluff, I'ma be here till the end. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out, 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 I can help you out. Here we go again. Time is up and I'm calling up my friends. Ain't no wonder why, ain't no one to ride to. Here we go again. Call me up and you wanna be my friend. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out, 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 I can help you out. Look, if you don't want.
Okay, so here they are all together. We can see them there. They are absolutely beautiful as usual, really creamy to apply. I was really happy with them. As you can see, I've put a glossy and a matte top coat on there, so you can see what they look like with both. But yeah, I'm going to do a few comparisons now so we can see if they are similar to any other of the Madam Glam colours, the ones that I've got anyway. I've not got, you know, I've not got tons and tons, but I've got quite a few. So I'll start off with Pink About You. So that's like sort of a magenta type pink. So my pinks are here. So let's have a look. So it's quite similar to Because I Said So from the Neon collection, but it's brighter. You can see it is a little bit brighter there. Yeah, it's also similar to that one, the Rule Maker, but it's not the same. So yeah, I love that because I thought it was going to be the same as the Rule Maker or Because I Said So, but no, it's not. So that is good. Let's just have a look at some of the others. Yeah, so I've not really got any others that are opaque. The rest are like the glittery ones. So it's quite similar to that one. Glam Pie. So they would work well together. Right, so let's move on to this birthday cake one. I've only got one other nude from Madam Glam, and that is Dolce from the Viva El Glam collection. So yeah, you can see it's quite a bit lighter than that. It's more of a, it's got more sort of yellow tones to it, that Dolce one. So that's that. The I Like You a Lot is going to be similar, I would think, to Vida Loca from the Viva El Glam collection and Daydream. So yeah, it's sort of somewhere in the middle, isn't it? So it's, yeah, somewhere in the middle of those two. So that's Vida Loca from the Viva El Glam collection, and Daydream is, I can't remember the name of that collection, but that's the one with the subtle glitter in it. That's that one. And then Matty, I've not really got many blues. Yeah, I've got these three. So that's more like a teal is the Besame one. So yeah, I've got nothing. So that's going to add to my collection nicely because I've nothing like that. So yeah, that is those. Okay, so I've got the practice hand out now and we're just going to do a little design with some of these colours. Now this one, I just wanted to try and do a few sort of marbly type designs with all the colours because I just love the way the colours are so bright and they work together. So I didn't use the birthday cake one, but I did use the other three and a few of the other Madam Glam polishes that I've got. So the first one is, it's on like a glass background, so that's the No Edit, the purple from Madam Glam. So that's like a jelly colour. And then the Pink About You, I'm just putting on my palette. I'm putting dots of that on, and then I'm putting dots of the blue on, that Matty. And then I'm getting a dotting tool and I'm just swirling them all together. And then I'm getting the Madam Glam ombre brush and I'm just picking up those colours and I'm just floating it over. So I've got another coat of the No Edit on that nail and it's wet, so I haven't cured it. So leave it wet and it just helps the colours to sort of blend in a little bit more and flow a little bit more onto the nail. So then I just sort of float them over, and I just sort of did it in one go and just left it there, because if you mess with it too much, you're going to end up blending the colours together a bit too much. And if you want a really strong, you know, colour and you don't want them mixing together, then just leave it as soon as you've put it on. And then after I'm happy with it, after I've floated it on, I then cure that for 30 seconds and then move on to the next nail. So on the ring finger, I'm using another one of the jelly colours, but I only use one coat of this. It's Supreme Pink and it's like a neon jelly pink. It's gorgeous, but it's quite pigmented, so I didn't need another coat of that. So again, I left that wet. And then the colours I'm using on the palette this time are Matty and Lilac You A Lot. And I'm just floating those over as well. But this one, instead of just floating them over and leaving them, I'm sort of dabbing it on as well, so that you get a bit of a different effect. It does blend the colours together a little bit more. And then again, when I'm happy with that, I cure that for 30 seconds. So on the middle nail, I use Pink About You. And then on the pinky finger, I put Lilac You A Lot, and then I cured those two. And then I went back in on the middle nail with Lilac You A Lot on the bottom of the nail. And then I put Pink About You on the top of the nail, but I left this layer wet. I should have actually put a lot more gel polish on than I put on. My coats were too thin, so what I tried to do didn't work as well as I wanted it to, so I had to go in with a bit more colour. So what I've done is I've left it wet, and then I've got the long liner brush from Madam Glam. And then I've used that liner brush just to draw lines through the colour to sort of bring them through each other and make a sort of design like that. So I have sped this up quite a bit because I was messing with it for ages to get it how I wanted it to look. I probably should have used a thicker brush, but at the time I was just playing about and I just didn't know really what I was doing. But I like the way it turned out. I like the effect in the end. I just had to go over it quite a few times, whereas if you put more gel polish on, you know, sort of thicker layers, and you'd used a thicker brush, it would have been a lot quicker. So what I end up doing is just going in with a bit more colour on the brush just to drag it through a bit more. And then I was happy with how it turned out then. So when I'm finally happy with it, I do cure that for 30 seconds.
Here we go again. Trying hard, but you wanna be my friend. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. Here we go again. Call my bluff, I'ma be here till the end. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change.
So then I'm onto the pinky finger, and all I'm doing is I'm putting dots of Pink About You onto that Lilac You A Lot. Now the Lilac You A Lot is already cured, so what I'm doing is I'm using the dotting tool just to go through the Pink About You, just to sort of swirl it about a bit. And then I've also got on the palette some of the Lilac You A Lot, so I then put that on the dotting tool and then work that through the Pink About You that I've just put on. And then when I'm happy with that, I cure that for 30 seconds as well. And then I get the Madam Glam No White Top Coat, and I just top coat all those nails, and then that's it done.
Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out. 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 I'm calling up my friends. Ain't no wonder why, ain't no wonder right to. Here we go again. Call me up and you wanna be my friend. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't.
Okay, so here they are, all top coated and all done. What do you think of these? It wasn't a set design that I was doing. I just wanted to play about with the colours and see how they look together. So yeah, this was just a bit of an experiment and a bit fun, because that's what nail art should be all about. It should be about fun. And that's what I did for this one. So yeah, I hope that you like them. Let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know if you like Madam Glam as much as I do. Yeah, so I will be using these colours a lot more, I think. I do love that Pink About You, and the blue one, that Matty, is one of my favourites as well. Absolutely love them. So yeah, thank you so much to everyone for watching. Thanks to all my subscribers. If you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing, and I will see you next time. Bye.